Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please do like, comment and subscribe down below. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about Girl of Now Forever by Elie Saab. So this fragrance is the flanker to the original Girl of Now, also by Elie Saab, but they've just changed it up a bit. So for this one, let me just take it out of the bottle. Okay. So this one, this is how the bottle looks. So basically it's still the same bottle, but they just changed the color to a peachy orange instead of the light blue in the original packaging. And the fragrance is described on the box as the cheerful spirit of the girl of now in a fragrance. A delicious note of citrus zest, raspberry and sparkling rose, textured with addictive orange flower and patchouli. So for this fragrance, the top notes are lemon zest and raspberries. The heart consists of rose, black currant, almond and orange blossom, and then the base notes are patchouli, cashmere, vanilla and musk. So looking at the notes here, compared to the original Girl of Now, they have in common the almond, orange blossom, patchouli, cashmere and vanilla. But honestly, when you first smell this fragrance, it smells nothing like the original. Like with this fragrance, you get more of a fruity, fresh, zesty, sweet scent, whereas with the original, it was more of a warm almond and pistachio type of scent. It was a very gourmand. It's grown. Like, I love the original fragrance, guys. Like, I love it. So this one, it feels more of a younger fragrance. It feels like something that a teenager, so maybe a 16 to 21-year-old would be using. So if you're a parent, for example, and you want to get your daughter something, then I definitely recommend you get this one. If she's a teenager and she'd like something like a new designer perfume, I definitely recommend this. So the one I got is the 50 milliliter, which retails for 1,640 Rand in South Africa. And you can get it at Woolworths, Edgar's, and online you can also get it on Superbalist, but I think they sold out right now there. So this fragrance was released in 2019 as a follow-up to Girl of Now Shine. I think this one came out after the Shine. Sillage for this one is moderate if you compare it to the original, which is more of a heavier sillage, but it's still good. But I love a heavy fragrance. I'm someone where if I walk into a room, I want you to smell me before you see me. So with this one, you need to actually be interacting with the person needs to be close to you. The projection is okay also. It's the longevity, I would say it's long lasting, but it's a fragrance where you need to have it in your bag, because after 3 to 4 hours, you're just gonna have to quickly refresh it. But for me, that's not really an issue, because I bought the 50 milliliter, so I'm sure I can carry this around with me. If I had the 100 milliliter, then it would definitely be a problem. That's why if I know I'm going to be out the whole day and I'm using a small handbag, I like to put on perfumes that I know that I'm safe for the whole day. So like Terry Mugler, Angel, like that is a very strong scent that you know has you for the whole day, even the next day. So yeah, I love this fragrance, I really do, but I feel like it shouldn't have been included in the Girl of Now line of Elie Saab. they should have just started a new line with this one, because it has nothing in common with the original. Like, the DNA for this one for me feels completely different from what Girl of Now is known for. It's more, it's fruit, like it smells like a fruit sorbet, if I can put it like that. It's fresh, it's fruity, it's sweet. But what I love about it, when it comes to the sweetness, it's not that overpowering sweetness that's headache inducing. It's more like it's sweet, but you won't get tired of it. So yeah, I feel like they should have just introduced a new line and called it something different, and then just released more fragrances under this, because this for me smells nothing like the original, which is this one, which is like my fave perfume. So guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please do like, comment, and subscribe down below. Mwah.